Welcome to Flynndogg Woodwork. Well, today is the end of day 5 of renovation, and today they worked on electrical. So let's go take a look inside. So it's getting to be a little bit dark in my shop as there's only 4 remaining working lights in the barn, and these are the original lights that were here when I moved in. If we look at the boxes they've installed for the outlets, you can begin to see they've started to run the wiring to each box. In the same manner, they've also run wiring to the switches, which are right by the front door. If we look at the ceiling, you can also see boxes have been installed so that I can plug my lights in. And there will be a total of 12 of these boxes for 24 plug-ins. Well, thanks for joining me today, folks, on this day 5 renovation update. Check me out on YouTube at Flynndogg Woodwork. Take care, y'all.